Why if you cut the land, you pay you $50,000 if you cut it.
You know, I'm going to want 3,500 though if you buy gas to put in a waka.
Again, no money until you finish the work. You know, young people want to scam old people, but I'm not going to allow you. When you finish the work, you get the money.
Alright, Maskin. Me I go get the waka and go link you back.
Evening, Grandma.
Good evening. You come from work?
Yeah, Grandma. Grandma, you not cook no food?
No, sir. No cook no meat.
I'm hungry. Grandma.
Yes?
Yeah, you don't know who I see today?
Eh?
Your grandson.
Which one of them?
Rolling dice, Grandma. Rolling dice, I live good. I want vaccine my drive, you know, it clean, Grandma. You hear me like it, man, it clean. One idea, me fit have one of that, you know. Grandma.
Yes, but you have to work hard. And you know, if you look on people things and say you want, you must have good plan for yourself.
That's true,
Because
Grandma.
the eyes of the Lord is upon you.
True,
And
Grandma.
you feel look out for yourself because people are not holding a good mind, must say.
I feel true, no, Grandma.
Then friend with your man to kill you. So be careful. And you know me love you, you know.
True, Grandma. I mean, Grandma.
And the most thing in my life, which you know,
Yes, Grandma.
that I am 95 years old now.
Yes, Grandma.
And I would like to know that you accept Christ before it's too late. And I want the whole world to know that this old lady, she named Sister Campbell. And she would like the gospel to go right around the world to let everybody know that the time is coming. The time is very short. So
right,
my
Grandma.
grandson, please see if you can abide by me. And I will abide by you by giving you the word of God.
Yes,
and you
Grandma.
take it and both of us will head into one place.
That.
So,
I mean, anyway I go, me I go, no, Grandma. Better know that. Anyway I go, me I go, Grandma. Yeah.
that you say,
Yeah.
but you have to live the life to suit God and make me see say you're ready. When you know that before people, you know holy,
That's
and you
true.
know nice, and you know do everything look good. But blessed Savior, when you know go back, a different thing. Okay, my grandson, you know me love you. And I don't want you to listen to people and see people have them things and grudge them for it. For you
Yes,
don't know how
Grandma.
they get it. If them are thief.
True, true.
I'm-
Really nice and a thief, Grandma.
Huh?
But me can't, yeah, we say me not fit take up for people because you don't know what people will do. That's true, Grandma.
Yes, because people friend you, they hurt you.
That's true, Grandma.
So into this world what we're into, you must be very careful
Yes, Grandma.
and talk to the Lord. And the Lord will
Yes,
talk back to you. And no grudge people for nothing. Because we coming from afar and we reach right here, so now we want to extend ourselves knowing that the good Lord provide for us.
That's true,
That we
Grandma.
can talk to other people and
Hey.
tell them what it is.
Grandma, you know, talking about that, you know, I want to talk to the Lord about a new business. I want to start a buy and sell business. It's like come I work out a gas station now. I could have save the money
Yes,
and buy some goods and sell back.
yes.
Yeah, new business.
Yeah, man.
Me
New
tell me can buy
business,
all one
new
store,
beginning, new
build one
everything.
store.
But guess what happened now?
Yes, Grandma.
You have to be very careful. Where dare you tell me say you don't have no money, you know? So how you get money if you go buy and sell now?
Me I save, Grandma. Me I save.
Oh,
I
okay.
save.
How would they save it for you?
No, with the money when me work at a gas station. So, Grandma, you cook or me I cook?
What?
I cook last evening, no, Grandma. You cook this evening.
Me not think so, you know. Because you not me a 94-year-old, me can't manage to cook. You
So-
fi cook it, me.
But you know, me love when you cook it good old rice and peas. The
Well,
gungo
me
peas.
sorry for you for me weak, you know.
Grandma, where you go eat then? You go eat curry wing and
Me no know what me do. Me don't live by the grace of...
grease.
Me don't go live by the grace of God. I don't know what I'm going to eat.
Grandma, me I cook, man. Sure, man.
But I know that the
Everything me I cook.
Lord will take care of me. And make I tell you something, my grandson.
Yes, Grandma.
Look at me.
Yes, grandma.
Me happy.
Yes,
Me
grandma.
happy.
I'm happy to
Me
grandma.
grandson, me happy so tell me that oh,
Grandma, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
me no really want nothing no.
You don't want nothing to eat?
Right
Me
now.
go steam some fish. You want steam fish?
You want me say?
Yeah.
Me say me no really want nothing to eat now.
All right,
Because
yeah.
true few business, me kind of penetrate on it.
Go on.
God, me would have liked to see you prosper.
So yeah, fast on it. Me could fast this evening by business. All right, grandma.
You know, if you tell me when to fast, you know,
Grandma,
come
me
back.
not forbid. Me not forbid today. Like how you go fast, me not forbid. All right. So far.
Like, oh, yeah. No, but I mean, yeah.